Welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you through the process of creating, editing, and deleting knowledge bases in Deepser. Deepser empowers seamless management of multiple knowledge bases. Our platform enables the creation of a primary knowledge base to serve as a centralized repository for articles. Let's take, for example, the Microsoft Word User Guide. In here, you can see a guide with different articles and different sub-articles. You can edit a knowledge base by adding a new article whenever you want to by simply clicking on the small plus in here and filling out the necessary fields. First, you have to choose the title for the article. The identifier field will be automatically filled out by Deepser. We can choose whether it belongs to a certain category or not, which by the way you can customize in any way you want, but that's for another video. And you can also choose whether it will be visible for the front end, portal, or the admin. And also you could choose whether to enable the comments or not. In here, we can add tags that work as specific keywords. So for example, when you create a ticket and it includes the word example in it, this specific knowledge base will be suggested in order to help you solve the problem faster without needing to create a ticket even. And in here, you have to write the whole article. After you're done with it, just save it. And in order to delete a certain article, you have to go to the article that you want to delete and click on the small bin located over here. In order to create a new knowledge base, you have to head down to the system area over here and scroll down to go to the knowledge base. Here, you have to click onto the add knowledge base and fill out the necessary fields. First, we have to name the knowledge base. So in this case, let's create one for the Microsoft Excel. We have to choose an icon. And the identifier field again, that doesn't have to be filled out because Deepser will do that for us. Here you can write a long description. And in here, you can write a short one. Here you can choose the position that the knowledge base will appear into the user interface. Okay, let's make it to appear the first one. We can choose the columns, the number of columns that it will be taking into the user interface. And here we can choose whether to make it visible for the admin, portal, or for the front end. Here we can choose certain groups to view the knowledge base. Let's make it available for all of the groups. And here we can choose the groups to edit the knowledge base. Let's make it again available for all of the groups to edit the knowledge base.